purpose of video is to film the pilot's demonstration for safety and critique. We take the film back to the ready room and we put cuts into it so the pilots can review and fix any mistakes that they may have noticed during the demonstration. The video department is comprised of 4 avionics individuals. A lot of times people think that video is just filming the pilot's demonstration, but also we run the communications portion of it. We have ground officers that relay information to and from the pilots and real-time grading as well. So our video background is almost zero. A lot of us come from Hawkeyes, F-18s, myself. We even have people that used to work on helicopters. So everything that we learn here is all on-the-job training. We come in on our first year and we learn how to film the demonstration piece by piece. These aircraft are moving over 300 miles an hour and none of us have ever held a camera in our entire life. So it's a challenge, but also we learn to adapt and overcome to anything that we have.